Hey there, food adventurers! Ready to take a taste trip to Laos? We're diving headfirst into a flavor-packed journey through the heart of Laotian cuisine. Get ready for a fragrant fiesta that's part flavor roller coaster, part culinary DIY project. We're about to explore the edible wonders that make Laos a paradise for your taste buds. Hungry yet? Let's dig in. 1. Lap. Picture this: minced meat, chicken, beef, or fish chillin' with herbs, lime juice, fish sauce, and toasted rice powder. It's like a party in your mouth, fresh, zesty, and all around awesome. 2. Khao niao. Sticky rice. This one's the ultimate sidekick to Laotian dishes. Roll that sticky rice into little balls and you've got the perfect scoop for everything else on your plate. It's like the edible MVP of Laos. 3. Sai o ua. Sausage lovers rejoice. Picture this: pork sausage infused with lemongrass, galangal, and a bunch of herbs. Grill it up, serve with sticky rice and veggies, and you've got a fragrant fiesta on your hands. 4. Tam makhunk. Green papaya salad. When you're craving something refreshing and a tad spicy, this salad's your go-to. Shredded green papaya, tomatoes, chili, lime, fish sauce, and sometimes crab or shrimp. It's like a flavor roller coaster you won't want to get off. 5. Khao poon. Laotian rice vermicelli soup. Noodle lovers, get ready for a coconut milk-based broth party. Dive into this rice vermicelli soup loaded with fresh herbs and veggies. It's a bowl of comfort with a Laotian twist. 6. Pho. Laotian hot pot. Hot pot lovers, this one's for you. Imagine a communal pot filled with broth and you get to play chef with meats, veggies, and noodles. It's like a culinary DIY project that ends in a feast. And the perfect partners in crime for your Laotian feast? Don't forget to wash it all down with the local favorite, beer Lao, or kick back with a cup of traditional Lao coffee. For the full experience, hit up the street markets and local joints. They're the real deal. Your taste buds will thank you later.